It looks like Samsung has already kicked off the Galaxy S7, S7 Edge Oreo rollout just like it said in a previous statement. The first country to get the long-awaited update is the UK, but it's safe to assume Samsung will add more markets in the coming weeks. The South Korean company confirmed last week that Android 8.0 Oreo for the Galaxy S7 and S7 Edge will arrive by mid-May, but that doesn't mean everyone will get the update until then. Now, Samobile reports Samsung is rolling out firmware version G930FXXU2ERD5 and G935FXXU2ERD5 for the Galaxy S7 and S7 Edge in the UK. Surprisingly, it's not just the unlocked units that are getting the update, as many Vodafone UK customers report they have successfully updated their Galaxy S7, S7 Edge units to Android 8.0 Oreo. Moreover, the update weighs in at 1.3 GB and includes the April security patch. It can't be downloaded via Smart Switch, as Samsung is pushing this one out over the air only, so you'll just have to wait until you get notified if you live in the UK. Or, you can head to Settings, Software Update and try to pull the update manually. It looks like Samsung has already kicked off the Galaxy S7, S7 Edge Oreo rollout just like